PhayTanu, and for the last 8 weeks, we were bombarded with so much. So let's do this voice cover for you to get to understand me. Yeah, I freaking love getting to be part of a creative community which continually provides so much education or knowledge experiences to one another. I mean, like freaking so much to the point where I'm constantly looking for other workshops or conferences or online meets. Yeah, and so at the moment we are one day to our final YouTube bid for you. Yeah, so I thought of sharing some helpful tips. Yeah, that I've learned along my way of being a workshop attendee. Let's start. Have you attended workshops you can relate or you're planning to attend? So the first thing is getting prepared with the questions you need answers for, because you definitely be meeting new people to share information with. Yeah, two, you also don't have to feel small despite having creatives who are big in the industry. Yeah, or not getting followers, likes, all those. You don't have to feel small. You just have to learn and try your thing of working hard to reach their end, because they're also working hard. Then you have to learn from others, do your research, and stay connected with them.